tumbok lang namin doon is si Jong Pilapil at si Jed Pilapil.
So you got information that Jed Pilapil, the wife of Alan C., was staying at Arlene.
Alam namin na doon sila nakatira, Mr. Chair.
Na-casing na yun.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kasama na doon sa casing
Yes,
ng
Mr.
Dumoy.
Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair.
And then Jed Pilapil was arrested then
There, sa Arlene
sa Arlene apartment.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Chair, ang tanong ko lang, so a case was filed against Jed Pilapil C. and Jong C.
Yes, Mr. Chair. They were already convicted.
Convicted na po
Yes,
ito.
Mr. Chair.
So nasa na itong dalawa?
I believe nasa Davao. Hindi ko na alam, Mr. Chair, but kung doon ka sa Davao, dahil ka Davao, it's either Davao Penal Colony ka or dito sa Bilibid. Convicted po sila, Mr. Chair.
Aside from these two, sino pa bang na-convict? May alam pa ba na aside from...
Yung mga personalities, Mr. Chair, na at large, pero at large sila, Mr. Chair, hindi kasama doon sa case. But they have warrant of arrest against them.
Do you know anong case yung final kay Pilapil?
Come again, Mr. Chair?
Alam mo ba kung anong kaso ang final kay Pilapil?
Manufacture.
Siguro,
Manufacture of dangerous drugs.
So, pagdating dun sa Arlene apartment, Mr. Chair, were you able to get, recover some shabu?
Wala po.
So, automatic na. It was established na talagang kasama siya dun sa
Yes, Mr. Chair. Kasi po, siya mismo yung magdadala ng freezer, papunta ng
yung Jed Pilapil
bodega.
mismo.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Yes,
So,
Mr.
she really knew. She knew na yung
Yes.
husband niya was
Yes,
involved
Mr.
dun sa
Chair.
manufacture.
Kasi, Mr. Chair, hindi pa na-assemble lahat. Dinadala pa lang yung mga equipment. Naando na siya eh. Siya na yung halinhinan sila ni Alan eh. Tsaka yung Alex Kim, na isa sa mga namatay, halinhinan silang tatlo na nagde-deliver, nagpo-procure, idadala doon sa laboratory. And it was covered by surveillance and casing. So
dun
alam namin na may
yun na nga.
participation
Dun sa
talaga.
surveillance team, nakita talaga yung Jed dun sa bodega.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
For several
Including doon sa Agdao, yung bodega sa Agdao. Nakita rin siya doon, Mr. Chair. While Jong Pilapil, siya yung nagmamando doon naman sa Polytech, doon sa Bunawan. Doon ang participation ni Jong Pilapil, Mr. Chair.
So both of these persons are already convicted.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yun lang po.
Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Pimentel. Yes, Congressman Fernandez.
Follow-up lang, question lang to before we proceed to the next item of our agenda. Okay, Jimmy Guban. Jimmy Guban kasi we're talking about din yung mga illegal drugs.